Good afternoon to all. Welcome to e-study. Every moment is important for us, so don't waste time. Today, now we discuss about some important chemistry question, which is help us in future for appearing OAVS, TGT Science or other competitive exam. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel. Share with your friends for practice. Then, at first, is some quotation for you. If you want to achieve success, then don't doubt your dreams. This is right. If you want to achieve success, then don't doubt your dreams. Our dream is important for us. Then come on to first question. First question is, beryllium sulfate is less soluble in water. Beryllium sulfate is less soluble in water due to dash: high inflammable energy, low energy of dissociation, low inflammable energy, ionic bond. Then what is the answer? Beryllium sulfate, which is BeSO4, and its melting point is 110 degrees Celsius. So which option is its answer? Its answer is option A, high inflammable energy. High inflammable energy, its answer. Beryllium sulfate is less soluble in water due to high inflammable energy. Then number 2. What is the name of that system which is used to radioactive to decide the period of materials of pre-stone period? Option is radium dating, uranium dating, carbon dating, deuterium dating. What is his answer? What is his answer? Carbon dating. Carbon dating is a method for determining the age of an object containing organic material by using the properties of radiocarbon. Radiocarbon, which is a radioactive isotope of carbon. Carbon has 3 isotopes: carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Carbon 12, which has 6 neutron and 6 proton. Carbon 13, which has 7 neutron, and carbon 14, which has 8 neutron and 6 proton. Then carbon dating is carbon 14 dating. So option number C, its answer is carbon dating. This is the carbon 14 is the one isotope of carbon. Then number 3. Cement is made hard with dehydration, hydration and dissociation of water, polymerization. What is its answer? Answer is option number B, hydration and dissociation of water. What is hydration? Water is very polar molecule, meaning it has partial positive charge on the hydrogen end and partial negative charge on the oxygen end. This is called hydration. And what is dissociation? If the molecules are completely broken into their ions by water, then it is called dissociation. So cement is made hard with hydration and dissociation of water. Hydration and dissociation of water. Then number 4. What happens when a chemical bond is formed? This is an easy question. Already we know. What happens when a chemical bond is formed? Energy is always absorbed. Energy is always released. More energy is released than is absorbed. Energy is neither released nor absorbed. What is its answer? Its answer is option number A, energy is always absorbed. Energy is always absorbed. Then option number 5. Who is among the following is a carbohydrate? Who is among following is a carbohydrate? Option nylon, cane sugar, turpentine, then hydrogen peroxide. Option A, nylon. Nylon is a large polymer. Option C, turpentine. Turpentine is oil of wood turpentine. Then number 3, hydrogen peroxide, whose formula is H2O2, which is used for oxidizer, bleaching agent and antiseptic, which is a weak acid. Then option number B, cane sugar, which formula is C12H22O11. So its answer is option number B, cane sugar. Then number 6, in which of the following states maximum iron ore is found? In which of the following states maximum iron ore is found? FeCO3, ferrous carbonate, Fe2O3, which is ferric oxide, and Fe3O4, which is magnetic oxide, also ferrous ferric oxide, also magnetite. Fe3O4, another name is magnetite. Then FeS2, iron sulfide. Which of the following states maximum iron is found? Answer is option number B, Fe2O3, that is ferric oxide. Then number 7, which one of the following metals pollutes the air of a city having large number of automobiles? Which one of the following metals pollutes the air of a city having large number of automobiles? Option A, cadmium, B, chromium, C, lead, D, copper. Cadmium, whose symbol Cd, chromium Cr, lead Pb, and copper Cu. Answer? Easy question. This answer is option number C, lead. Because motor vehicles were the major contributor of lead emission to the air. So its answer is lead. The generally lead metal pollutes the air of the city having large number of automobiles. Then number 8, what is the chemical name of baking soda? So easy. What is the chemical name of baking soda? What is the chemical name of baking soda? Option A, sodium carbonate. Option B, sodium bicarbonate. Option C, sodium nitrite. Then option D, sodium nitrate. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Then sodium bicarbonate, NaCO3. Sodium nitrate, NaNO2. Then sodium nitrate, NaNO3. So its answer is sodium bicarbonate, NaCO3. NaCO3, sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda. Then number 9. An atomic pile is used for dash: producing X-rays, conducting nuclear fusion, conducting thermonuclear fusion, accelerating atoms. Answer is dash: producing X-ray, conducting nuclear fusion, conducting thermonuclear fusion, accelerating atoms. What is atomic pile? Atomic pile is nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor generally known as atomic pile, that is used for initiate and control nuclear chain reaction. That is used for what? For control and initiate nuclear chain reaction. So its answer is what? Conducting nuclear fusion. An atomic pile is used for conducting nuclear fusion. This is the picture of nuclear reactor. In nuclear reactor, the fuel is uranium. Then number 10, which of the following gases is present under pressure in soft drinks? Which of the following gases is present under pressure in soft drinks? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide. Oxygen O, nitrogen N, carbon dioxide CO2, nitrous oxide N2O. So its answer, easy question, is answer number C, carbon dioxide, CO2. Then number 11, the substance which does not expand on going from liquid state to solid state. The substance which does not expand on going from liquid state to solid state. Option A, water. Option B, cast iron. Option C, aluminum. Option D, type metal. Water absolutely is expands from liquid state to solid state, which solid state is ice. Then cast iron, it is also expand from liquid state to solid state. Aluminum also. Number D, type metal. Its answer is type metal. What is type metal? Type metal is an alloy. Alloy. Type metal is an alloy which is alloy of lead, tin and antimony, Pb, Sn and Sb, which is used in typing machine. So its answer is what? Type metal. Its answer is type metal, that is alloy, and it is the alloy of Pb, Sn and Sb. Number 12. What is heart pacemaker? What is heart pacemaker? Heart pacemaker dash. Heart pacemaker is the uranium, deuterium, plutonium, radium. Uranium, deuterium, plutonium and radium. Its answer is what? At first, what is heart pacemaker? A pacemaker is a small battery operated device. This device senses when your heart is beating irregularly or too slowly. Its answer is uranium, because in heart pacemaker use plutonium 238, which is formed in nuclear power reactor from uranium. Which is formed in nuclear power reactor from uranium. So heart pacemaker is option number A, uranium. Then number 13. The element which is commonly used in nuclear for producing electricity by nuclear fission. Generally, the element which is commonly used in nuclei for producing electricity by nuclear fission. Option A, radium. B, plutonium. C, uranium. D, deuterium. Radium, plutonium, uranium, deuterium. Its answer, option number C, uranium. Generally, nuclear fission creates heat. So in reactor, use uranium for nuclear fuel. Table salts get moist. Table salts get moist during rainy season because sodium chloride is hygroscopic, sodium chloride is deliquescent, and sodium chloride contains some quantity of sodium hydride. Then sodium chloride contains hygroscopic impurities like magnesium chloride. Its answer what? Its answer is number D. Sodium chloride contains hygroscopic impurities like magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride is the common impurity in table salt. Because magnesium chloride is the common impurity in the table salt, which is highly hygroscopic and absorbs moisture from air. The formula of magnesium chloride what? MgCl2. MgCl2. So its answer is option number D. Number 15. Which of the following is used as a lubricant in heavy machine? Which of the following is used as a lubricant in heavy machine? Option A, bauxite. Option B, sulfur. Option C, graphite. Option C, phosphorus. Option D, graphite. Answer, bauxite, the ore of aluminum. Sulfur S, phosphorus P. Graphite, which is made of carbon atom. This is an carbon atom. Its answer, option number D, graphite. तो Graphite is used as a lubricant in heavy machine. Graphite is used as a lubricant in heavy machine. Question number 16. Number 16. The anode in dry cell consists of dash. The anode in dry cell consists of dash. Option A copper, option B zinc, option C cadmium, and option D graphite. What is the answer? Answer option number B, zinc, because the anode in dry cell consists of zinc anode, which is the paste form of ammonium chloride. Zinc anode is the paste form of ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. This is the paste form of ammonium chloride, which is NH4Cl. Number 17. Which of the following is used to iodine common salt? Which is used in iodine common salt? Potassium iodide, iodine, potassium iodide, and sodium iodide. Potassium iodide, iodine, then potassium iodide, then sodium iodide. Answer. At first, what is iodized salt? Iodized salt is a table salt mixed with a minute amount of various salt of element iodine. Iodized salt is a table salt mixed with a minute amount of various salt of the element iodine. That is what? That is potassium iodide. That is potassium iodide. So its answer is option number C, potassium iodide. Then question 8. Milk is a colloidal system in which water is disposed in fat, fat is disposed in water, and fat and water are disposed in each other, fat is dissolved. What is the answer? Okay, colloidal system. At first we discuss about what is colloidal system. A colloidal system consists of two separate phases, a dispersed phase and a continuous phase, in which colloid is dispersed. A colloidal system may be solid or liquid or gas. Milk is an emulsified colloid of liquid because fat globules, butter fat globules dispersed within the water-based solution. So answer what? Option number B, fat is dispersed in water. Then number 19, the enzyme that converts glucose to ethyl alcohol. The enzyme that converts glucose to ethyl alcohol, invertase, maltase, zymase, diastase. Invertase, maltase, zymase and diastase. Answer, glucose to ethyl alcohol. Answer zymase, option number C, because zymase is an enzyme complex that catalyzes the fermentation of sugar into ethanol and carbon dioxide in anaerobic respiration. At first, glucose converted into pyruvic acid, that is the first step of respiration, and it is called what? It is called glycolysis. Then last number 20, silk fiber chemical is dash. Silk fiber chemical is dash, carbohydrate, fat, protein, cellulose. Carbohydrate, fat, protein, cellulose. Option A carbohydrate, option B fat, option C protein, option D cellulose. Generally we know silk is a natural protein fiber. Silk is a naturally protein fiber. So its answer option number C, protein. Silk fiber is chemical is protein. Thanking to all and God bless you. Thank you for watching.